Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Mitsubishi Outlander. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile phone and make it discoverable. Then, navigate to your Outlander's audio system and press the phone button or access the settings menu to find the Bluetooth options. This initial step prepares both your phone and your vehicle for a smooth connection process. Now, let's pair your device. From the Bluetooth menu on your Outlander's display, select the option to add device or pair device. Your vehicle system will then become discoverable, typically appearing as Mitsubishi hands-free on your phone. On your phone, look for this name in the list of available Bluetooth devices and select it. This action initiates the connection between your phone and the vehicle. To confirm the connection, a unique pairing code, usually a 4-digit or 6-digit number, will appear on both your phone and the Outlander's display. It is crucial to verify that these codes match precisely. Once you've confirmed the codes are identical, accept the pairing prompt on both your phone and the vehicle system. This step finalizes the secure Bluetooth connection. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy the full benefits of Bluetooth in your Mitsubishi Outlander. You can make and receive hands-free phone calls, ensuring safer driving. Additionally, you can stream your favorite music or podcasts directly from your phone through the car's audio system. Many functions, like answering calls or skipping tracks, can be conveniently managed using the controls on your steering wheel, enhancing your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.